So guys, this is how to fix this problem. So what I have to do first is to go to your phone menu and just scroll and try to search for Gangster Vegas app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then you tap on the app info. So when you tap on the app info, tap on notifications and make sure you allow all notifications over here, okay? So make sure it's turned on like this. Then after that, you have to go back. Then you tap on the first stop. Then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Then you clear the cache by tapping on it. So tap on the clear cache to clear it. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and other devices. You're going to see mobile data and restrictions. It's all the same. So what you have to do is to just make sure the background data is turned on like this. After that, you have to go back and when you go back, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to just tap on the updates over here, update that is showing over here. So when you tap on the update, your device is going to, it's going to re-download on your or reinstall on your device. Then after that, what you have to do lastly is to tap on the power button for some while. Then you tap over here, which is the restart or reboot. It depends on the device you're using. Some you're going to see it's by wiping it to the top, some to the right or to the left. So it's all the same. So you just wipe it to turn your device off. So when you reboot or restart it, it's going to turn off automatically and turn on without you doing anything. So after that, that's where the problem is going to get fixed. When it's not fixing, just let me know in my comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.